Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. It really is. I'm on today to cash stuff my sinking funds. I'm not going to stuff all of the envelopes, but I'm just going to top up on what is needed. I have here my well-being, hair, going out, hobbies and labour. That's if I need the workmen in to do any handy bits and pieces. I always need something putting together, maybe put a shelf on the wall or something, so that's why I put that envelope there. I'm going to start with my well-being, and this is for my aqua aerobics, my vitamins, my pedicures and nail polishes to do my fingers, but I've been going to the shop to have them done, and maybe I'll give it another 1 or 2 more visits before I start trying to do them at home. So the next time I go to the shop, I will be getting my feet done as well, so that will come up to £68. That's what I was charged December. Actually, it might be cheaper because I'll only be going for infill the next time round. When I went December to have a pedicure, I had the full nails done, so I don't think it's going to be that expensive, but I'm going to stuff £40 in there today. £40, and now we have in well-being 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. That should be plenty. I've just stuffed what's the date today? The 29th, and I've put 40 in there, and it's 80 now. The amount 40 plus 40 plus 40. Lovely. And then we've got the hair. I'm not putting anything in my hair wallet because I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I am having my hair done this week. I won't have much left over from that. My daughter does my hair, but she doesn't take any money for it, but I always insist that she has petrol, so that's why I have this envelope here. It's for her petrol money. Going out, I'm going to give it 10. There's 20 in there already. Is there 20? Yep, there's 20 in there already, so I'll give it 10. Plus 10. Okay, so now have 30 for going out. Each cupcake is 10. And if you're wondering where did this savings challenge come from, it comes from Sam's Budgeting Corner on Etsy. I did get it last year for my birthday, but I omitted the birthday at the top here with some washi tape and named it as Going Out. But this is lovely. So now we have hobbies. Let me get some change. I wanted to give hobbies £10. I am not going to use this money until I get it up to at least £50. I would love to get some budgeting goodies off Etsy from the Etsy sellers. I do love supporting the small businesses. I'm going to buy some in bulk. So that's why I don't want to touch it until it's at least £50. So we've got 10, 15, 20 in here. And then for labour, I'm going to give labour £10, because if any little handy things need taking care of in the house, I want to have a little change to pay for them. So that's 5. Each piggy represents 5, and 5 is 10. Great. That's my sinking funds done for another time. I'm going to take this emergency envelope out because I'm using my Save 2023 savings challenge to stuff my emergency binder, because it's 2023, so I'm going to put 1,000 in the emergency for this year and see how I go for the rest of the months. Last year I saved 1,000, and out of the 2023 savings challenge I'm going to put 1,000 in there and, you know, get it in the mix. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.